Hey there, Mike with AW Water Features here. We have a really unique situation that we've run into here on a renovation project. We originally hadn't planned on renovating the waterfall here, but we found out that this water feature had a leak, and looked into it some more, and this is what we found. So this is the removed liner, and you can see all of the ant activity here. So there's a huge ant nest underneath the liner, and this is what the ants are up to, scurrying, trying to find a new home. But when Eric was investigating things, he started noticing some really small holes in the liner, like this one right here. Oh, there it is. Let's see if we can find some more here. It looks like we have one. There's an ant right there, one right there, and let's see, there's some other ones in here somewhere. Here's another one right there. So these little tiny pinholes all over. Here's actually a couple of really big ones right here and here. So for those of you living in Michigan, this is definitely not something that happens very often. There's not very many species of ants that can do this kind of damage to a liner, especially if proper techniques are followed and underlayment is put underneath the liner. There are some parts of the country where this is a little bit more common occurrence. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and like it, and we'll see you in the next video.